Okay. Hi, all. Hi. Okay, we will wait for 1 to 2 more minutes so that people join. Okay, and then we will start the meeting. Okay. Okay. So slowly people are joining. Okay. Thanks all for joining. Yes. Just now the live has been started. So great to see you all. Okay. We will wait for a few more minutes so that more people join. Yes. Hi. Hello. Good to see you all. Good to see you all. Thanks for joining. We'll wait for some more people to join. Okay. Okay. Good. People on LinkedIn, how are you all? So let me check people on LinkedIn also. Okay, people on LinkedIn. Yes. How many people are watching me on LinkedIn? LinkedIn. Okay. It always keeps strange on LinkedIn. Okay. So let's take time. Okay. Yes. And it's okay. Nice. Abhishek, thanks a lot. Nice to see you. Hello, Akshay. Okay, Shiva, as of now, there is no batch. Okay, so that's what I told you. Great, Bhanu. Thanks a lot. Nice to see you guys after a long time. Okay, so how are you all doing, by the way? All are good? All are doing good? Yes. And people on LinkedIn, all are good? Okay, still silent people. Okay, I am from UK. Nice to see you, Anita. Okay. Chandra, it's in English. Okay. I'm good, Sriram. Thanks a lot. No, Shiva. There is nothing planned. Okay. I'm good. Thanks a lot. Hello, Sumit. Hi. So many people here are joining. So we will wait for a few more minutes and then, okay. I'll not wait. I'll start the class. Okay. So what are we here? What are we doing today? Let me first give you some glimpse and then we will start the actual things. Okay. Right. So first of all of you see here. Okay, so today's agenda is very important. Okay, so I will first write few of the things for you, like what type of projects to keep in resume. Okay, this is the what type of projects to keep in resume. This is the main question which I get by most of the DevOps as well as SRE engineers. Okay, so don't worry, I'll be sharing my resume in some time. Okay, I'll be making you walk through so that you understand the glimpse of the resume. Okay, so DevOps and SRE engineers always try to face this situation like, yeah, what is actually the type of projects I need to keep, what type of projects actually the interviewers look at, and any field you select, the main differentiation in your resume is the project. Do you agree with me, guys? Do you agree with me? Yes. Okay. So guys, do you agree with me? Hey, hi Jaswita, thanks a lot for joining. हिंदी पटेल यार, दिस इज इंग्लिश चैनल, ठीक है? तो हम लोग इंग्लिश में बात करेंगे, अभी हिंदी में नहीं बात करेंगे, बाद में बात करेंगे, ठीक है? राइट. सो टेल मी, डू यू थिंक दैट प्रोजेक्ट्स आर इंपॉर्टेंट, गाइस? Yes, the projects are very important for any DevOps engineer to make his resume get selected, right? That is what we will be looking at, and I will be sharing my projects, guys. So if you wait for next 10 minutes, I'm going to share my projects to you. Okay, I'll be sharing some of the good projects which you can keep in your resume. And how many of you want my resume, by the way? Like, you want my resume? You want my resume? How many of you want? What type of projects Praveen has kept? What is the format structure? How many of you want? Okay, let me keep like this. Do you want my resume? Like, very simple. Yes? No? Yes? No? Anyone wants? Okay, you want it? Okay, right? Yes. Toyota project? Not Toyota project. We'll not talk about Toyota project. We'll not talk about Infosys also. Okay. So you need my resume. Okay, that is very simple. Okay, right. So not only my resume, I'll share you some roles and responsibilities also. Okay, which you can keep in your basically in your resume. Okay, so today we will be seeing this. Okay, and these two are the important things. So before starting this, I would like to know from you all, right, how many years of experience people are watching me. So I will be dividing into 4 categories. So any freshers are here? Any freshers who is watching me? Yes. Any freshers? I'll be writing like the count, how many people are watching me, so that I can tell in terms of that. Okay. And if you have come to the YouTube live for the first time, please like the video so that it reaches to the more people. Yes, you are a fresher. Any more freshers are there who are here for the first time? Like you want to be, you are a fresher, so that I can write like the count. Okay, 2 freshers. Any more freshers in the class? Like who is watching me right now live? Okay, 3. Any more? Any more? Okay, latest movies, you are 3 years of experience. Okay, right. Oh, okay, almost like 10 people are freshers. Okay, in my class. Okay, so any non-IT people here? Non-IT people. Let's take like you are non-IT. Any non-IT here? Yes, no. And people on LinkedIn are always silent. Like they will keep an eye, but they will not reply. They will keep an eye on every post, on every live, but they will not talk with me. So I don't know. So how many non-IT people are here? No non-IT people? No non-IT people? Okay, so I will put a cross mark here for a non-IT. Okay, how many people are domain change here? Like you are looking for a domain change. You want to change your domain. Anyone here? Okay, you are from non-IT, non-IT. Anyone else non-IT? Okay, only 2 people non-IT. So I'll put like non-IT. Okay, only 2 people. Okay, only 2. Oh, okay, 4. Okay, okay, 5. Okay, 5. 2 plus 3, 5. Any more people are here who are from non-IT? People on LinkedIn, please tell me so that I can put the count. So freshers, we have 10 people watching us. So non-IT. Okay, domain change, domain change, domain change. Okay, almost 15 people are here. Yes. So I can write like 10 plus 3 plus 2. So almost like 15. Okay. Any people who are from DevOps, like you are watching me, like you are a DevOps engineer, you are watching me. So yes, I have put all of your names here. Yes, 2 years of experience. Okay. Any people who are from DevOps primarily? Yes. Like you are from DevOps engineer, you want to upskill more. Like I will put like this. You want to upskill more. Like, yes. Working on Linux, want to change the domain. Yes. So I think that is a straightforward thing. Yes, sir. I am a fresher studying CSC analysis. I want to get my first job, sir. Please help me what to do remaining 2 years of my college. Yes, that is very interesting. Okay, Monica is yes. I have 3 years of experience. Yes, just with us. So you almost like 10 people are in DevOps, and remaining are like from other domains. Okay, so remaining other domains, let's take like 15 to 20 people. So almost like 60, almost like 100 people are watching me, by the way. So people on LinkedIn are 45. And here 50, so almost like 50 close to people are watching me. So almost like 100 people are watching me live right now. So for everyone who is falling into these brackets, one stop solution is my resume. Okay, so I'll be sharing resume. Along with that, I'll be sharing you projects. Okay, so I would request everyone to stay with me for next 10 minutes, because we will be going over page by page of the projects and what kind of projects you can keep. With that, the selection criteria is increased, and at the same time you stand unique among the people. Okay, among the people. Now, before I talk about my resume, let me talk about the templates of resume. Right, you all want the templates of resume, right? You don't know which resume template is good for you, right? You don't know which resume template is good for you. So guys, I have few resume templates. I'll be sharing anyways. I'm sharing screen. So let's start with one of the first template of the resume which I like the most. How many of you are using Canva here? Canva.com. Anyone is using Canva? Yes, definitely. I will arrange the resume review session also. Anyone is using? Okay, so career gap. See, career gap, there are many people. Okay, so we are talking specifically for that. Career gap can also use. Okay, Canva you all are using. Okay, so I'll show you how to search the resume in Canva. So first of all, see with me. So this is the Canva page, and the only thing is you can just type like resume. Okay, templates. Okay, this is the simplest way what you can do. And once you go into this resume template, all of you see here, there are 2 things in this to note. Okay, the first one is the free templates, and the second one is pro. we will not take the pro one. We will only take the free one. Now, I'm going to select few of the resumes which I like the most. Okay, so I will go only with the free templates. Okay, and you select out of these 3-4 templates which is the good template you will be taking. Okay, so yes. Okay, now all of you see here, I have few templates with me. Okay, I have few templates with me. Now you tell me which is the best template. Okay, option 1, this one. Option 2, this one. Option 3, this one. Option 4, this one. Among this 4, which one you want me to change? You tell me, and I will be doing the same thing. I'll be changing this entire resume into DevOps resume. You take the option, you select the option. You want option 1, you want option 2, you want option 3, you want option 4. Which resume you want me to change as a DevOps resume? Tell me. You all tell me. Now, I will give you fastest finger first. Okay, so type me as an option 1, 2, 3, 4. Which one do you feel that it's good? Option 1, option 2, option 3, or option 4? So whichever you tell, I will be in front of you changing the resume into DevOps. So you tell me. I will wait for 1 minute. You guys type your request with me. Okay, option 1 is this one. Okay, option 1 is this one. Option 2 is this one. Option 3 is this one, and option 4 is this one. Which resume you want me to change into the DevOps? Okay, so so many people are telling us 1, 1, 1, 3. So many people are telling 1. So you like the first resume? 3 people. Some people are telling 3. Okay, some people do a voting on YouTube. I don't know how to do the voting on YouTube. Okay, so Madhurya Barche is telling 3, 4. Okay, so most of the count I got for 1 and 3, right? So I will put like this. Now you tell me, among the 1 and 3, which one you want? See, we are not talking about ATS friendly. First, our resume should be good, right? Then, okay, 1 or 3, which one shall we talk? 1 or 3, which one is good? I think 3 looks more clear. The work experience looks more clear. The 1 is also good. So yeah, whatever you tell, I will take. I think 1 and 3 both are good. So you tell me what to take, and I will start changing the entire resume into that format, DevOps format. Okay, last 10 seconds. You tell me 1 or 3, 1 or 3, 1 or 3. Okay, so let me go. Most of you have told. Okay, both are almost same. Okay, so let's take 1. Okay, let's take 1. So I will use this customizing template. So all of you eyes on the screen, as you have selected, as most of the people have selected this one. So let's change this template. Okay, now I will put my projects here. Carefully see what I'm doing here. Okay, Praveen Singham. Okay, so I will be writing like DevOps / SRE engineer. Okay, so all of you are able to see my. Okay, all of you are able to see the resume, how I am changing the resume and template. Yes. Okay, right. All of you see here. Meanwhile, what I will do is I will just stop the screen share, and I will take out my actual resume. Okay, which I submitted for the organization. Now, all of you see here. I am sharing my my screen here. Yes. Now, very important. Now, Praveen, you selected this resume. Okay. Now, what will you write here? Yes, you all have the doubt, right? So all of you see here, this is my actual resume. Okay. So what I'm going to do is, whatever from here, I'm going to take it out and I'm putting in that. Okay. So let's see. Okay. First of all of you see here, this is my career objective, which I have. Okay. So what I'm doing, I'm simply putting my career objective under this block. Now, all of you see here. Now, this is me. Okay, Praveen Singham. I can change my photo also. That should not be an issue. Okay, I don't have my photos as of now. That's fine. Okay, so we will close this photo, or we will keep this photo. As of now, we will not use it. Okay, now all of you see here, Praveen Singham, DevOps and SRE engineer. Okay, to be associated with a progressive organization that gives me scope to apply my knowledge and skills. Okay, and be the part of the team that dynamically works towards the growth of organization. Now, these all things remain same. I will not go with this, but very importantly, I will go with the work experience. Now, you see, My total work experience is of 5.2 years, long back. Okay. And one of the important thing is you have to tell that which all things you are good at. Now, if you see here, DevOps, automation, AWS cloud migration, Linux system administration, application security and monitoring. Now you see, if you are a domain change person, if you are a if you are a DevOps engineer, if you are a Linux engineer, like this, you have to write. Are you getting me, guys? Everyone? Are you getting me? Everyone? Right? So whenever you are writing any resume, make sure that you select any of these roles. So suppose if I go here and I write like DevOps / AWS engineer in the first project. Okay, so let's assume that this is basically from 2019 to 2021. Let's assume this. Okay, now what I'm trying to do is from 2019 to 2021, what are my roles and responsibility and what is my company? Okay, Verizon Limited. Okay, and what are my roles and responsibility? We will see. Okay, now all of you see here, right? Now what I'm going to do is, all of you see clearly, this all things you already know, right? Now for the projects, what type of projects to select, what type of projects to keep, just see. I will give you 1 minute of time. All of you see here, this is my first project. Okay, and you see this roles and responsibilities. All of your eyes on the screen, just see the roles and responsibilities. All of you just see the roles and responsibilities. Now one by one I will take the roles and responsibilities and I will keep in that place, and you will be amazed to see that, oh, this is how the resume has to be prepared. Okay, and a few of the things you can ignore as of now. Okay, and like putting it in the same line and all, you can ignore that. But what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to copy each of my tasks. Okay, and I'm trying to make this resume as a DevOps resume. Now you tell me, guys, okay, how many roles and responsibilities I can keep, right? So I need to make sure that I'm keeping good amount of roles and responsibility. So for that, what I will do, I will remove this entire block and I will add few of my roles and responsibilities. Now you see, each of the point in each of the roles and responsibilities will be unique. Each point will be unique. Are you able to see, guys? Do you see this unique lines? Key member of a DevSecOps team supporting more than 100 application. Okay, primary responsibility to onboard and setting up CI/CD pipeline, multiple front end and back end applications, setting up build agents in AWS, because you have told AWS. So here also you need to have AWS. Now if I come down, I can add something like more complex things. Okay, now if you see here, this one, or you can use this one also, using GitLab REST API endpoints, right? So how does this sound? Okay, now you tell me, my first project is this one, guys. Okay, I can add more points also. Now you tell me, does it sounds interesting to you? Right? Does it sounds interesting? And for freshers also, you can add like this. There is no issues in that. Okay, now if you think that you are a fresher, what you have to do, you have to add these points according to your knowledge. Are you able to get me, guys? Suppose you are a DevOps fresher. Let's assume that you are a DevOps fresher. Okay, now, or a DevOps intern. Okay, these two are the conditions. Now what you have to tell, same lines, but make sure that when you are putting this, you are putting in a strong manner. Are you able to understand, guys? Yes. Now you can be also a key member of DevSecOps team. Okay, you can be also having the responsibility to onboard the application. You can also set up build agents. You can also use REST APIs. Now tell me, fresher is also having the brain, right? You guys, whoever have told me this, okay, you guys have the brain, right? Now whatever the experienced guy does, you will be able to do the same thing. Okay, in DevOps, freshers can also compete with the experience. I'm telling like 2 to 3, not more than that. Okay, 2 to 3, you can definitely compete. Okay, now you tell me, how does this pointers look like? Does it looks like good for you? Yes. Does it sounds interesting, guys? Like, okay, like this I need to prepare the resume. Let's think like this. I have removed this. I have removed all these things. Okay. And I'm going to write few more points here. Just see. Okay, I'm going to write setting up Ansible playbooks also here. Okay, which is very much important for a DevOps engineer to work. Okay. Now, all of you see here, for every point, try to make sure that you are differentiating, right? You are differentiating every point and every tool when you are writing. Okay. And one more thing, for a fresher, education should be on the top, but for an experienced person, here the skills should be first. Okay. Skills in the sense, what type of skills? Jenkins, CI/CD. Okay. Maven, Jira. Okay. Like what else? What else? Like Kubernetes. Okay. And then Prometheus, right? Grafana. So these all things you can keep it. There is no issues, and rest all you can just delete this. Are you able to understand, guys, like what I am telling? Yes or no? See, this resume can also fetch me jobs. I am 100% sure about that. Okay. Initially, we should focus on creating a good resume rather than creating something like initially we are thinking like ATS should be 100, 200. No. If you have a good resume which is presentable, and you can have 2-page resume, there is no issues. You just add one more page, you can add it, no issues. Okay. So what I will do, I will just copy this. I will paste it here. Okay. All of you see here what I'm trying to do. And here I will take the second project, okay, which is basically a monitoring project. So I will take some of the pointers from here. Okay. And I will just change this. Okay. Now, does this sounds interesting, guys? Yes. How you have to make resume. Now, don't think like Praveen, because you already have the points. Now you are telling that it's very easy to prepare. No, it's easy for you also to prepare any good resume that is giving you various ideas. It's just like you have to work on yourself. That's it. Okay. Now you see, now, does it sounds interesting, guys? So I will copy this also and I will put here. Okay. And I will say like, okay, DevOps fresher, intern, monitoring engineer, something like this. Okay. All the titles, if you keep like different, okay, then your resume will be unique. Okay. Now, are you understanding, guys? How many of you understood? Like in front of you, I created a very generic resume, but still you can add more things. Let's assume that this I'm going to add here like awards. Okay. Awards and appreciation, right? We will get the awards and appreciation, right? So in this also you can add so many things like received an award. Okay. Received. Okay. Okay, you can write like received an award for the Ansible automation, right? Something like this, right? And you can also write like your total years of experience. Correct, right? You have to tell like which company you are working, right? Experience, professional summary. Here and there you can make it up and down, but that's fine. So here what you have to do is, here you can make like professional summary like currently working with, okay, maybe Verizon, okay, Verizon with 5 years of experience. Okay, something like this. Now, do you agree, guys? Yes. Now you see, now in front of you, I have made the complete DevOps resume. Now I'll delete all these things. We don't want all these things. Okay. I will change this also in some time. But do you think like, does this resume sounds professional to you? How many of you say like, yes, Praveen, this resume sounds good? How many of you say? Yes. Like see, yeah, very minimal 2-page resume. We can add so many things. One more project also I can add it. Okay. and my skills, my expertise, my language is not needed. So we can replace this with something else. Here, even references, I can bring this down. My project 2, I can write like this as a project 2. Okay, so you are seeing, right, project 2, and this I can call like project 1, right? So that's how you need to create your resume. Okay, are you able to understand, everyone? Does this sounds good? Does this sounds good, guys? Yes, no? Okay, how many of you like that resume? Can you tell me? Like, in front of you, I prepared, and even I can add so many things. I can add a table here to attract more people. I can add some good things here to attract more people. Okay, I can put this references block here down. Okay, now how many of you like the resume? How many of you like the resume? Can you tell me? See, any resume is simply like this. You don't need to bang your head. You don't need to punish yourself to find a good resume template. No, all the good resume templates are in front of you for free. Okay, you don't need to bang your head. You don't need to do anything. How many of you like the resume? Now, quickly. Yes, I want a genuine feedback. I will tell you. How many of you like the resume? Can you tell me? People on LinkedIn, how many of you are watching me, by the way? How many of you are watching me? Okay, so many people have shared the post. Yes. Okay, where are you all? People on LinkedIn. You are always a silent watcher. I feel like people on LinkedIn are very shy, okay, to come forward and to talk, by the way. Okay. Now, I don't know, like sometimes LinkedIn doesn't give the value also here. Okay. I don't know what's the reason. Okay. How many of you like the resume? Tell me. Definitely resume shortlisted. Good. Divya liked, Madhurya liked. Resume should be at to the point. Yes. Okay. Anyone else? You liked it? Have you got templates? Yeah, I just searched. I showed you, right? I just searched the DevOps template like that and I got this. Okay. Now here you can do so many things as per your wish. If you add one more project, yes, length will be more, but maximum make two to three projects. Okay, not more than that. It's good. Most of the companies use AI to filter out resumes, use ATS template in Overleaf. See, Overleaf is next level of thing. Okay, Overleaf is like when you become the godfather of, let's take like DevOps, where you want your ATS to be selected. Initially I am telling for freshers, okay, like this. Okay, freshers, non-IT, okay, and little bit of DevOps who are like 3 years of experience. Okay, now ATS, if you are targeting, then you have to change this. But see, look and feel, I feel it's good. Okay, as of now you can use this, no issues in this. And similarly, my 7 page of resume, if you have not seen, let us go over this quickly. Okay, career objective, professional summary. Okay, so whatever you have completed, you need to tell them. Okay, completed certifications, received awards. You have to sell yourself, as simple as that. Okay, you have to sell yourself in the market, as simple as that. Okay, you are doing this things, you are doing this things, you are doing Apache Tomcat, Dockerizing, Kubernetes, whatever you are writing. And whenever you are receiving an award, have you, okay, tell me one genuine thing, anyone has put like this when you have received the awards or certifications? Okay, can you tell me? Okay, now can anyone tell me, has anyone put these type of awards and certifications in your resume? Anyone? Now you tell me, like, Praveen, I have put that. Anyone has put like award name, for what reason the award you got, who has issued the award, and what comments why the award you got it? Anyone has kept like this? Anyone in the class? No, no, no. What about others? What about others? Has anyone put like this? No. Okay, so you have not put, right? So when you are putting like this, it means that you are making sure that people are understanding your way of explaining things. Okay, as simple as that. Okay, that's good. Okay, all are no, 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 no. Okay, so guys, first of all, like the YouTube video. Did you like today's session? Now let's see, like in our YouTube, what you are doing. Okay, so this is okay. How many people? Okay, understood. Now, all of you see here, what have you learned today from today's class? What have you learned? Like how to prepare a resume, how to prepare a free template and convert into a DevOps resume. We have seen that, okay? And we can enhance this as per our need also, okay? So I will be sharing this template. What you do, right? You guys take 1 day time. I'm sharing this template to you all, okay, in the link. Please take a note, and I'm sharing this template on the LinkedIn also, guys. You can take a note of this template, okay? What you have to do is prepare your resume. Now, those who are watching me on LinkedIn, those who are with me on YouTube, those who are with me in other channels also, what you have to do is prepare a template from this resume. If you didn't have any resume, prepare from this template. And what you have to do is make sure that in LinkedIn you tag me tomorrow. Okay, if you are okay to share this resume, you can tag. How you can tag? At Praveen. Okay, if you keep, my name will come and you can tell that yes, session was good, and you can also tell that okay, you have learned something. Okay, yes, thanks a lot, Satish. Okay, now going forward, I would like to tell you whatever you have learned, right, with different kinds of projects, with different kinds of teachings, with different kinds of lessons. I am here with batch 8, guys. Okay, 7 batches I have completed. And guys, let me tell you, those who have joined today's live, tomorrow all our place students are coming to the YouTube live. Are you excited to talk to them? Whoever have placed from the previous batches, I am bringing them to you tomorrow, okay, on the YouTube live. So tomorrow at 8 p.m., they all will be with us on the YouTube live. You can ask any questions to them, how they got into product companies like Visa, how they got into good packages, how they are getting settled, everything you can ask them, okay? And now those who are interested to join with me for 2 months classes like this, I'll be teaching you from scratch, okay? And this course is basically for Azure and AWS, okay? In next 1 week we are starting the classes, to be very honest, and you are getting all these projects whatever you are seeing here, right? So all of you just take 5 seconds of time and go over this projects. Okay, now how many projects you are seeing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So almost like 14 plus projects you will be with me. Are you able to understand, guys? Yes? Yes or no? Okay, now you got this, right? This link. If anyone is interested, where is people on LinkedIn? If anyone is interested to join batch 8, okay, so till yesterday we were able to take seats, okay? Now today is the final call for you. If you are with me, you can be able to join this classes, okay, coming from the next week. And if anyone is interested to enroll, you can definitely enroll before 10:30 p.m. today. Okay, so prices are going to increase, and you can check all details. And tomorrow, okay, tomorrow we are bringing the students also who have got placed from the previous classes, and whatever the learnings you had from this class, Okay, the same kind of learnings, the same kind of motivations, the same kind of stories, the placement stories, interview questions, templates, each project roles and responsibilities, everything I'm going to share to you. Okay, the batch is starting from 6th July, 2 months of course. Every week 3 sessions will be there, and purely we will be doing this course into Python. I'll be teaching you Python. You don't need to worry. If you are a fresher, you can join. If you are a experienced, you can join. If you are a domain change, you can join. So no issues in that. Okay, so completely beginner friendly course, I would say. Okay, so this is batch 8, guys. If you want to target with me, okay, you can join the batch 8. Are you able to understand, guys? I don't know how many of you joined, but if you are enrolling before, let's take like 10:30 p.m. today, okay, so it will be great. You will be getting some bonuses also. So once you click on book your seat, it will be redirecting to your payment page, and you have this package also. Okay, in this package you will get DevOps interview questions from product companies. If you are selecting this package for 9 rupees, it will be added to your what you call your course. Okay, so you'll be able to get it. As of now, the coupon is this. If you remove this coupon, it will come like 12,999. Okay, so any questions for me till here, you can ask me. I'll be sharing the link of the chat course also, and also I'm conducting the demo session also. If anyone is interested, you can also join the demo session. Okay, right, any questions for me? My CI/CD from scratch using Ado. What is ADO? Double Ado. I didn't get that. Or what is the solution for? If I want only the projects, what is the solution? So if you want only the projects, then you have to take batch 7. Okay, recorded videos will be there. You can go with batch 7. Okay, is there any project for AKS using Helm? AKS we are running with Terraform, Dhaval. Okay, uh, uh, with Terraform. Okay, can we learn? Yes. So what type of DevOps tools you have? You can see here. These are the different DevOps tools which you are going to get. And guys, if I want to show you, right, these all are the students placements. Okay, so you see here, and if you don't believe, I can take you to the to our feedback page also. All of you see here, this is our feedback page, and these all people will come tomorrow in the YouTube live. They will talk with you. So she is the girl who has got placed into Visa, and she was the girl who has got placed into various kinds of companies. And you can see, if I drill down, yeah, so I talked with this guy also, Sanjay, but he said like Saturday he will be available. Okay, and you see people are there commenting. Okay, people are there like congratulating, people are there to share the success. Okay, and Sunny, yes, Sunny is also coming tomorrow. Okay, so all the students who have got placed under us, they are coming tomorrow. Okay, so if anyone wants to enroll, you can enroll. Shiva, you can enroll, right? You can enroll. Azure DevOps. So Dhaval is having a question. So what we are learning in Azure with Terraform infra creation. Okay, so this is the one. Kubernetes, you will be able to see like this. Yeah, so Kubernetes almost like how many projects? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 5 projects in Kubernetes, you will be able to get it. Okay, so any questions for me? Any questions for me, guys? Any doubts? People on LinkedIn? Any doubts? Any questions? Any questions to me, you can ask me. Okay, so guys, if anyone wants to join, you can come here and join for the batch 8. Okay, So I'll be meeting you all, okay, in the next class. Stay tuned. Tomorrow we are coming live again with the place students. You can see. Okay. So thanks all for joining. I will take a leave now. Okay. Take care. See you all tomorrow. Okay. No, English. It's purely on English. If you want to enroll, you can enroll before 10:30 p.m. today. And this is the link. Okay. So people on LinkedIn, I'm giving you the link also here. So I hope this session you have liked. People on LinkedIn, if you have liked the session, share it with your friends. You can share it as a post. Okay. So many likes I am getting. So I think that's really good. Okay. So thanks a lot for your support. Okay. And please take care. We will meet in the next class. Okay. Tomorrow, 8 p.m. we are meeting with the place students. You can come to the live session and meet. Okay. So thanks all for joining. Please take care. We will see you in the next class. Bye. Okay. Bye. Abhishek, I will take your query tomorrow. Join. Okay. If you are joining. Okay. Yeah. Thanks all for joining. Please take care. Like the video and subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed. Thank you. Bye.